everyone, welcome back to Vikas YouTube channel. In this video, we'll discuss two significant hirings. One is from NTT Data and other is from EY. NTT Data is hiring for trainee engineer role in general business management, operations and administration. Coming to the eligibility criteria, one must complete bachelor's degree or diploma having relevant certificate. Coming to the experience, having relevant working experience is good, but it is not necessary, and some experience dealing with internal and external stakeholders. And the other hiring is EY. EY is hiring for AI/ML intern, and the relevant experience is 0 years. That means freshers can also apply. Coming to the eligibility criteria, any BE, BTech, MCA graduates with no standing backlogs can apply. Having good programming aptitude, logical and reasoning skills, excellent computer skills, and desire to have completed training on Python programming with machine learning concepts. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Vikas YouTube channel.